How to print in Adobe Acrobat. Did you get a PDF file printed out from Adobe Acrobat? Let's quickly go through this step. First things first, open up the PDF you want to print in Adobe Acrobat. I'm already inside the PDF. Then you will see an option for print, which is right over here. You can just tap on it. And if you are having difficulty to finding this icon right over here, what you can do is simply tap on Ctrl and P. That will directly take you to the print section, and on the print section you will see this type of interface where the first one is printer. Choose the printer from which you want to print, and there's an option for properties and advanced. So let's keep it simple, and I'll just explain the simple things that you have to understand in order to make a good print. And here you can see an option for the copies. If you tap on this upward arrow right over here, it will increase the number of copies that you will print, and in the decreasing one it will decrease the copies. And here pages to the print, either you want to print it all or current page or the pages where you can add ranges. And there's an option for page sizing and handling, from where you can choose size, either you want it to be poster, multiple booklet, or you want it to be fit, customize the scale, and so on. And there's an option for orientation, either you want it to be auto, portrait, or landscape. And there's an option for comment and fonts that will help you comment the fonts, and there you can see an option for document and marks up, document and steps, and form fields only. And there's an option for summarize comments. And after you have accessed all of them and you are happy with it, simply tap on print. Your PDF should now be on its way to the printer. And that's all there's to it. And lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.